Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a thumbnail in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official pixlr.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up, it's going to go ahead and open up this main page right here, which is the home page of the website where we can get started with logging in. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. So in the upper right corner, you can get started with creating an account and logging in, and after logging in, we can now get started with editing our images and creating our thumbnail. So the first thing we want to do guys is go ahead right here on the home page, scroll down until we find the AI photo editor. So if you want to make a thumbnail with the AI photo editor, this is how we're going to do it. We even have the AI image generator. So if you want to go ahead and get your image generated automatically just by providing some text and getting your thumbnail, this is where you can do it. But if you want to create it yourself, here is where you can go ahead and open up the AI editor. You can open up the image that you want to use and make it the thumbnail from. As you can see, let's say we want to make the thumbnail from this, and now it's going to open it up in the editor right here where we have all the options we can use for making the thumbnail. We have the range option, we can crop the image into a smaller version for our thumbnail. We have the cutout to remove the background, the effects, and so on. So you can get started with editing your image right here. And after you're satisfied guys with your thumbnail and you want to use it, you can go ahead and click the save option right here. That's going to enable you to save your image and you can get started with using it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.